Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add transitions between videos, so it would look smooth and on PC, of course. So now when you upload your videos like that, you drag them here, and now if we play the video, as you can see, there's no smooth transition. So what you want to do is actually to click at the left right here, transitions, as you can see right there. So you want to add the transition here, and you want to choose whichever you like. So let's, for example, try to find something like a glitch maybe. Let's add this one. And now you can also choose how long your transition is. The duration is 0.5 seconds. You can do this in 0.2, for example. And you want to click apply to all. Basically, it will add transitions through both of the videos. Now let's see how it looks like. As you can see, it has added the transition. There's actually a lot of transitions you can choose from. So I suggest you to search for the one you actually need. There's like a trending ones and so on. So yeah, that's basically it, guys. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.